I have started dance very late. My desire to dance was very big, but my body was not necessarily fitting the norms. There is one part of the piece I show, Product of Circumstances, where I literally say my body was resisting the norms of dance. Maybe I was too old, maybe my body was not made for dance, etc. I have decided to do Product of Circumstances, which is using my element of my biography that are interrupted by actions or movements, dance exercise or excerpts of dances I have learned, in order to unfold the construction of the question that is asked to me: why did you shift from science to dance? And the aim of the work is to share that every subject, every person is constructed by many different aspects that operate at the same time. And we make decisions in our life that make us do this and that are maybe seen in a different way than we meant, or that we have had the necessity to do. My experience in the laboratory that I was working in, which was my first also professional experience doing my PhD, was a bit frustrating in relation to my expectation of what research was or should have been as I imagine it. I was confronted to the fact that the research asks you to produce results more than researching, and I had a more romantic idea of research on one side. On the other side, when I started to work on my PhD, it was also the end of a love story that was very hard for me, and I was in a very moving emotional state. And that's also at this moment that I started to take dance classes, somehow to channel my energy. And so at the same time I was living in Montpellier, in the south of France, where there was a dance festival. There still is a dance festival, very, very big dance festival. So I saw a lot of works, a lot of pieces from many different choreographers. And the more I worked in the laboratory for my PhD, the more I wanted to do dance and to shift. So when I finished my PhD, I took the chance to do something else. Don't only work with a movement that are recognized as dance, if we understand that dance is using a certain vocabulary of movement. But since I have stopped with my PhD, I only work in the field of art.